For today's video, I am going to show you how lifting, holding, and burping a baby. But for now, we are going to use a stuffed toys. Before lifting and holding the baby, clean hands with alcohol hand rub or use a soap and water. Always do proper hand hygiene. Cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on baby's neck, back, and head, also at their bottom. Lap hold. Sit on a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby on your lap. His head should be in your knees, face off. Baby's feet should be tucked at your waist. Hip hold. Face your baby outward and make her sit on your hip bones. You should wrap your hand around his waist and baby will rock around comfortably. Burping the baby. Shoulder hold. Place a burping cloth on your shoulder to manage the mess. Carefully lift your baby holding its head and body. Then hold your baby against your chest. Your baby chin should be rest on your shoulder. Gently tap his back and rub the back to help him burp. Face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up on your lap or across your knees. Support the baby's chest and head with one hand by cradling your baby's chin with the palm of your hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. Sitting up, gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position. Support the neck and the head. Gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. Thank you for watching.